I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to change the date and time on this smart TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to the home screen or the home page. You can do that if you're not here. Just do that by pressing this home button on your remote, and then go to settings at the top there. Scroll down to system, select that, and then go to time, select that, and then go to date/time. And then now you'll see it's set to auto synchronization, which basically means the time and date will automatically synchronize once you connect your internet and your TV knows where it is. Okay. Now, if you want to manually set the date and time, you have to turn off auto synchronization. So just select it and press OK. That will turn off auto sync. And then now you can be able to edit the date and time manually. So we have the day here. So for instance, let's go ahead and change the day to maybe 29th, like that. Okay. And then you can change the month. Let's go to next and change the year, and then press OK. And then now you can scroll down and also change the time. So for instance, if you feel like it's a bit behind, it's 10:04 right now, I can change that to 10:30 or 10:38 and press OK. And you can see now we have a different date and time right there. Okay. But for most people, setting it to auto synchronization just does the trick much more easily. Okay, so just come here and enable auto synchronization, and that will most probably show you the correct time often. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.